Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to reset the password of your ChatGPT account. For that, go to your Google Chrome or make sure to choose any of the suitable web browser of your choice and then tap on it. Tap on the search or type web address option. Enter here chat.openai.com. This will take you to the official web page, the very first web page of your ChatGPT. Now what you can do is tap on login option here. As you do it, you'll get onto the section where you need to enter your email address to continue getting back into your ChatGPT account. So enter your email address. As you do it, scroll down and tap on continue option below. So here, since we are trying to reset the password of our own ChatGPT account because we have forgotten our account or because of any other issue, now what you can do is tap on forgot password option. Now tap on continue option to get the instruction and to reset our password. Tap on continue here. So here you can see that now we need to check the email address for instruction to reset our password. So I'm going to go and check my email address. You can also do the same. So here on the top, you can see the notification for change password for OpenAI. Tap on it and then tap on this reset password option below. As you do it, you will get an option of entering a new password below to change your password. So choose a very strong password which must be of at least 8 characters. So tap on new password and enter your new password. After you've kept a new password for yourself, now tap on this re-enter new password below to enter your password once again to successfully confirm it. When you're done keeping both, tap on reset password on the bottom. So you can see that your password has been changed successfully. Now you can get back to apps client and use the ChatGPT successfully again. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.